Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best salsa. To begin, select the freshest ingredients possible. You'll need ripe, firm tomatoes, a crisp white onion, fresh cilantro, and a jalapeno for that perfect kick. Don't forget a generous squeeze of fresh lime juice. It truly brightens all the flavors. These foundational elements are key to achieving a delicious and authentic salsa every time. Now, let's talk about preparation. Dice your tomatoes and onions into small, uniform pieces for a consistent texture. Mince your garlic and jalapenos very finely to ensure their flavors are evenly distributed throughout the salsa. Remember to remove the seeds from the jalapeno if you prefer less heat. Finally, roughly chop your fresh cilantro right before you add it to preserve its vibrant aroma. Achieving the perfect flavor balance is crucial. You can adjust the spice level by including more or fewer jalapeno seeds. Always taste your salsa and balance the flavors with salt, a dash of black pepper, and even a small pinch of sugar if needed. The most important step is to let your salsa rest for at least 30 minutes. This allows all the wonderful flavors to truly meld together. Don't be afraid to get creative with your salsa. Experiment with different peppers, like serrano or habanero, for varying levels of heat. You can also add fruits such as mango or pineapple for a delightful sweet and tangy twist. For easy cleanup after your culinary adventures, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You'll find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Store your fresh salsa in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days of deliciousness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.